Gender reveal bukas agad. So, less preparation.
O, ayan, kasama po natin si Mother. O, malalaman mo na yung gender ng apo mo.
Not to know. I don't want to be a kid anymore.
O, tara guys, punta na tayo sa taas and then magpa-check up na tayo eh. Sa ultrasound center guys, marirecommend ko tong Pampanga Women's.
There's one pa.
One pa.
We want two. Boy and girl.
No. Stop lying. Tell them the truth, what you want. And I have two younger siblings. So, gusto ko mas maganda.
Number one.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Doc.
Morning.
So, today is a very exciting day for us because we are gonna try to know the gender. Actually, guys, we've been trying to know the gender 1 month ago. For 1 month now, we've been trying to know the gender, but according to my weeks, this is the right time to know the gender. And if I did not manage to know the gender yet, I will already,
be in India.
I will already be in India because I only have 2-3 days left in here, guys, and we cannot do gender reveal anymore. So, if makuha natin yung gender ng baby ngayon, we'll be doing gender reveal bukas agad. So, less preparation, but still, we're trying to make it good. Not what we are expecting.
We don't have so much time.
We don't have time. No, actually, before Milan, we have so many, ang dami naming plano. We have so many plans. Do this, do that, rent a resort or go somewhere.
But
wala. What?
we don't even know if
We are able to know the gender today, no?
No, and also we didn't know that we will have 1 day of empty schedule to do this thing. Because we thought that we cannot do it, so we don't want to know anymore. Since if we don't want to do gender reveal, then we don't want to know what is the gender.
Ganun yung namin, guys. Kung hindi namin malalaman today yung gender, hindi na namin aalamin talaga hanggang sa mga anak ko. But if you are able to know the gender today, then we will try to do a very quick preparation for that gender reveal. Pero hindi lang siya masyadong magarbo kagaya ng pinalano namin sa India. Yung family na lang kasama yung mga relatives. Pero hindi na ako mag-iimbita ng ibang mga kaibigan since very late na nga. So ayun, I'll pick up my mother and then punta na kami sa sonography. And then I'll update you kung nakuha ba namin or hindi.
Ayan, kasama po natin si Mother. Malalaman mo na yung gender ng apo mo. Excited ka na?
Siyempre naman.
Siyempre naman. Are you excited?
Yes, but not to know.
Not to know?
I don't want to be a kid anymore.
I want to know.
You want to know ka, no?
Yes.
Excited you talaga? O, tara guys, punta na tayo sa taas and then magpa-check up na tayo. And balitaan ko kayo sa mga kaganapan dito.
So, 30 to 40 minutes pa yung hihintayin namin, guys. So, napag-desisyonan namin na para hindi masayang yung oras, kumain muna kami ng ng lunch. So, punta daw kami ng Yellow Cab to eat pizza.
Ano ma, balo mo yung gender? Alam na po ng doktor pero hindi pa sinabi. So, Milan is reading the
Report. But there is no gender written in that.
Wala, dito sa report.
We told that put genders aside.
Specifically.
Specific different envelopes.
So, grabe, ang tagal akong chinek nung, doktor doon. Talagang pinaka-check niya kung babae ba o lalaki. So, kung gusto niyo pumunta sa ultrasound center, guys, marirecommend ko tong Pampanga Women's. Grabe, sobrang nila. Sobrang inaalagaan talaga nila yung mga pasyente and talagang hello po, ate, hi! Opo, gender reveal na. Ano?
Ay, baba question.
If
Girl, you are happy. Oh, boy. What's happy?
Much happy.
No. What do you want? Boy or girl?
Girl.
Is that true?
Yes.
Ika ma, what do you want?
Me, I'm okay. Boy.
Ay, alam lang makanyan. One only.
No.
Everyone is okay, boy or girl. What is the
What's
difference?
the best? Girl or boy?
Girl. First.
Ika ma.
Why?
Because Elaine, Because of
Then
Elaine.
they want to.
Elaine don't want to, ano?
If there's one pa.
Ah,
What do
one
you
pa.
We want two,
Oh,
boy
what?
and girl.
What you want this
What do
one
you want the
first?
first?
Boy.
I want older boy
Boy.
and younger girl. So
Okay, boy.
It's okay. But we both,
Both ka na, both.
because my son is only one. And the two is you. But three now. You are the boy.
If boy.
oh, I am
But it's
also
okay.
with
It's
both.
boy or girl.
Hello.
Boy or girl. But Elaine, if Elaine say that I don't want to do another pregnancy, then I want girl.
Ayan, nagdidiskusyon na po sila kung babae ba o lalaki, kung gusto nila o hindi. Ano? What? We are waiting for our OB, guys. What is that?
That's gender.
That's the gender of the baby.
Yes.
But you cannot see.
Probably you can if
You cannot see properly.
if it's written, then you can see.
No! Don't look! Stop cheating! We're gonna give this to Sherryann because Sherryann is our
I am not
organizer.
cheating. I am not the boy anymore.
This is the guys, report. Ito yung report ko. And then they separated that. Saying if it's a boy or a girl.
And they stapler it.
Two.
So we
no
don't
one will
open it.
check. Are you excited?
Yes.
Actually,
I-
Milan
as
is
much as I
lying.
want to
Milan
open
is lying. Lying wants Milan wants boy. And I want a girl.
No.
Stop lying. Tell them the truth. What you want. Tell them the truth. No one will judge you. Everyone have their own preferences.
No, I am fine with everything.
Ah.
But I want girl.
You want girl because I told you that if there's a girl, boy already, I will not make another one. That's the reason. But you want boy
Oh,
first.
I prefer boy older and then girl younger. But
Then-
I want girl.
That means you have prepared. You want you want boy for the first one.
But I am fine.
No. you're I won't do college too. You want you're saying the wrong thing, so it will turn out to be the other stuff.
Nah, it's not like that.
It's like that, guys. Harami chebo. Milan bow harami kevay. Boj harami edle boj.
It's not like that. I want girl, so you do another pregnancy.
Guys, personally, walang halong biro po. I want girl. Kasi gusto ko yung ate. May ate sila na mag-aalaga sa kanila because I am the panganay and I know na responsable. Hindi ko naman sinasabing irresponsible yung mga lalaki. Pero if there's an ate, Milan.
No.
If
If
there's
there is boy, father will not be alone. Because if something happened to younger child or girl, if they have problem, father and brother, there is two people. Two positive father figure or two positive male figure in girl's life. It will make girl's life very easy.
Okay.
Because there is two positive male figure.
Ako naman, ang point ko naman doon, since ako ang ate, di ba, and I have two younger siblings, so gusto ko mas maganda akong babae. Pero si Milan kasi, he is the older brother, so gusto naman niya lalaki yung sa kanya. So let's see kung sino yung mananalo bukas. Let's see who will win tomorrow. Team boy or team girl? What do you think? Ay, give me na. Stop cheating.
I will put it back.
Stop cheating. Hinihintay lang namin si Dr. Baisa. Our OB-GYN is very, very good, guys. But, sa sobrang galing niya,
She is not here yet.
no, I think she is already there attending to patients. But because she is very good, so many patients inside.
Yes.
You have to wait to meet her. So, ayun. I'll update you guys kung ano ba yung sinabi ni Dr. Baisa. I'll see you later. So, ayan guys, kasama natin si Dr. Baisa. Hello po. Thank you, Doktora. Sobrang comfortable po talaga ako. Sobrang bait ni Doktora. Guys, if you are looking for an OB-GYN, Doktora Baisa. Number one. Sobra.
Not joking.
Thank you po, Doktora.
Very comfortable
Thank you,
to talk.
thank you po. Thank you. Hi guys, so nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay and maaga lang talaga kaming umuwi and hindi na kami nagliwaliw kasi magsa-start na nga kami for the preparation sa gaganapin na gender reveal bukas. And saktong-sakto kasi guys, bukas is my lolo's death anniversary. So, yung mga bisita namin,
magpupunta kahit alanganin yung araw, kahit na weekdays. So, sinabay na namin yung gender reveal namin sa death anniversary ng tito ko para isahang bisita na lang kami. And at the same time, hindi na sila maabala na magpunta pa sa ibang location. So, gusto sana naming magpabook. Actually, before talaga kami pumunta dito sa India, we have a plan to do the gender reveal dito sa Philippines. And sobrang dami naming plano na magpapabook kami ng resort. Gagandahan talaga namin kasi this is our first, parang ito ba yung first na occasion namin dito sa Philippines since hindi nga kami kinasal ng maayos. Parang kinasal kami sa India pero sa Philippines walang proper na kasal. So, ayun. Pero lahat ng plano na yun guys hindi natuloy kasi nga last month, tinatry na talaga naming makita yung gender. Pero last month is 3 months pa lang ako nun. So, hindi pa daw nila makita talaga and hindi pa nila ma-determine. So, ang nangyari, today nga, bumalik nga kami to check if I'm fit to travel. Kasi, next few days, babalik na kami ng India. So, sabi ni Milan, why not check the gender of the baby today? And if you manage to see the gender's baby, dun daw kami magpapa-gender reveal. Kahit na 1 day na lang yung pagitan. Since tomorrow, we don't have any plan set. So, tapos, naka-schedule na talaga yung day na yun for my lolo's death anniversary. So, dun talaga kami pupunta. So, wala kaming sinat na ibang plano. So, ayun, napag-desisyonan namin lahat na bukas na nga lang gawin. And, ayun, busy-busy na sila ngayon sa pag-prepare ng decoration, sa paghahanap ng magde-decorate, sino yung MC, ano yung mga games na ipapalaro. Sabi ko sa kanila, let's just make it as a simple gathering, simple celebration, together with the relatives na lang. Hindi na ako mag-iimbita ng iba't ibang mga tao like my friends, yung sa circle na lang namin like yung mother, yung mother ko, yung family ng father ko. Actually, yung sa family ng mother ko, I think hindi rin sila pupunta since they have class. Sobrang daming mga bata doon and marami silang mga klase. So, hindi siguro sila makakapunta. And some of my malalayong kamag-anak sa father side. So, hindi rin sila makakapunta, I think. Pero, kung sino na lang yung makapunta, thank you. They will be able to experience and join us sa gender reveal namin. Pero, we are very happy. And, may mga concern na sinabi sa akin yung doctor. Pero, I don't want to ruin the moment muna. But, ang masasabi ko sa inyo, there's something to be concerned about sa health ko, guys. Pero, hindi ko muna siya i-disclose ngayon. I'll disclose it next time. Because I don't want to ruin the fun of my gender reveal. And, healthy naman daw yung baby, guys. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Very healthy yung baby. Mas malaki siya kumpara sa normal na weight. And thank you to Dr. Rabaisa for always helping. And sobrang comfortable ako sa kanya talaga, guys, kay Dr. Rabaisa. So, if you're looking for a very good OB-GYN, especially those people from Santa Cruz, Lubao, Pampanga, or even Pampanga, dinadayo din siya, even the people from Bataan. Ay, talagang dinadayo siya kasi sobrang galing ng OB-GYN. And if dito ako sa Philippines manganganak, and hindi sa India, si Dr. Baisa talaga ang kukuhanin ko, guys. So, ayun, I hope bukas kasama namin kayo sa gender reveal party namin and malalaman na natin kung babae ba o lalaki. Tingnan natin kung mini Elaine or mini Milan. Kasi, meron na kaming sobre, guys. Hawak na hawak. Actually, hawak na namin ngayon. Pero, ayoko lang ma-tempt na buksan to kasi naka-stapler talaga siya. So, si Sherry Ann, yung girlfriend ng kapatid ko na si James, she will be the one who will organize the party. So, siya lang yung nakakaalam. Hindi rin alam ng mother ko, hindi rin alam ng father ko, hindi namin alam ni Milan. Walang nakakaalam. Si Sherry Ann lang talaga. So, tomorrow, guys, let's go and check the gender of the baby and celebrate with us. So, I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.